Shadow Garden arrives and they capture the Archbishop. Alpha tells Epsilon to capture the bald guy and Natsume and bring them in. Then Natsume makes this noise. Wait, what the? One more time. Okay. Anyway, then Alpha and Delta jump inside the door. They're talking about what they'll find inside the sanctuary. Then Baldy tells his assassin to attack her. The assassin jumps out and cuts Epsilon's bosoms in two. She gets mad thinking about her pride and joy given to her by Shadow being taken away, so she chops the assassin into pieces like he's meat. She then turns to Baldy and asks if he